What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to be talking about why dividend investing is way better than growth investing. I'm not saying growth investing is not better, but I'm saying dividend investing is way more attractive to me than growth investing. And if you like this video, be sure to drop a like on this video and comment down below if you have any question for me. So what exactly is dividend? Dividend is a sum of money which company actually pays back to investor for owning a certain amount of shares in their company. So let's say you own 2 shares of AT&T, and AT&T pays let's say 50 cents per share. So for owning 2 shares of AT&T, every quarter you're gonna be getting paid $1 just for owning those shares of AT&T without selling them at all. I mean, you can always sell them if you want to, but without selling the stock at all, you're gonna be getting paid $1 every quarter for owning those shares, which you can actually reinvest into the stock again or use to buy other stock. So that's the definition of a dividend. And why do I like dividend investing better than growth investing? Now I'm going to be telling you why dividend investing is way more attractive to me. So first, it reduces volatility. Dividend investing reduces volatility in the sense that you own a couple of companies already that are paying you dividends. So even though if the price drop at for worse at a certain time, you don't actually really have to worry about those companies because you are still actually getting paid dividends regardless of what the market is saying at that time. So dividend investing is actually way better because you're still getting money back in and buying other companies or reinvesting them back into the stock. Two, it creates passive income for investor. So as time goes, once you start buying dividend companies and stuff like AT&T, Apple, Cisco, Costco, stocks like that that has a strong balance sheet. And also you don't want to buy a company because it pays a higher dividend. So you have to actually understand the company you're buying. More likely, I like to buy companies I actually use on a daily basis, like AT&T. I see the service is good, and they actually have a streaming service also. They have different ways of making money, so I think it's a good company that's gonna be around for a while. So getting back on why dividend investing is good for passive income is because you actually get paid quarterly from these companies for owning a certain amount of shares in the company. So this is actually good. This creates passive income for you that you could actually use to pay some bills along the line, or you want to reinvest them, or you want to use this money, this sum of money you're actually getting every quarter or every month to retire when you're older. So dividend investing is actually better that way. So three, it helps ease investor to know their portfolio is well diversified. So diversification is actually spreading things everywhere. So you simply don't want to own one stock, because you're owning one stock, it's like having just one thing. So basically you're gonna be worried every day thinking, oh, is this thing gonna work, is this thing not gonna work? But if you actually spread your money around, and you're not gonna worry about that one thing, because if you own 10 stock, and one of the 10 stock is actually doing bad, you still have 9 stocks that are good. So when you believe in this one stock that's actually doing bad, maybe it's just for a short term, maybe the company is going through some stuff or some legal issues and stuff, so they normally get over it, and if they don't, you can still sell this company. But at the same time, if you own one stock and the company is going through through a legal stuff or whatever, and the price is dropping, then you got to start worrying. That's how you start losing money actually, because you didn't diversify your portfolio at all. So dividend investing is good when you diversify your portfolio. Even the great investors like Warren Buffett and one of the investors I actually like, Kevin O'Leary, they actually own dividend stocks that pay them every quarter, which is actually good because you don't want to put all your egg into one basket. You want to diversify everything. So once you diversify your portfolio, that actually makes more sense, because now you know you don't have to stay up at night and thinking about one thing. Now you got to worry about 10, which is actually better, because you're not just gonna wake up and all 10 stock is just gonna fall. No, because you own 10 stock in different sectors, so not all sectors is just gonna crash like that. So that's also why dividend investing is better. And all the sector that you own are gonna be creating cash flow for you. They're gonna be paying you quarterly. So this is actually also one of the benefits of owning a dividend company that's gonna be paying you like that. And four, dividend investing is actually even good during market downturns, like a correction or market crash, things like that, because it actually even puts investors at ease. I mean, if you own a good company, if you own a good company that has a strong balance sheet, you don't actually have to worry about the fact that there's a crash right now and the company is going down in value. No, dividend investors actually happy about that. As for me, when a company is actually going down, and I know the company is actually, when I mean going down, I mean like the price of the company is dropping, maybe during the market crash or correction. So that's when I'm actually more interested in investing a lot, because now I know I could buy a lot of shares at a cheaper price. Because if I'm buying the share during when there is no crash at let's say $100, and now there's a correction in the market and the price falls, there was a sell-off in the market, and then the price falls all the way back to $40. So that's for two. That's two stocks for one, and I'm still gonna have $20 left to even shop around for other stock. So this is also a good way. Dividend investing is better, because now you're buying stocks cheap. Doesn't mean your cash flow is gonna stop. No, they're still gonna pay you for the amount of stocks you have. So the more stocks you have, the more money you're gonna get back. 5, dividend investing is actually also better, because every year company tends to raise their dividends, so by percents. So Johnson and Johnson recently raised the dividend to $1.06, I think, from $1.03, which they were paying before. So I actually own that company also. Now I got a raise from my from owning that company. Now I'm gonna be getting paid $1.06, which now I can actually update in my spreadsheet. So this is also one of the perks of owning a dividend company, because now it's way different from owning a growth company. Because a growth company, even though you did all your research, you studied the whole balance sheet back and front, it doesn't still matter. People makes mistake. People are actually the one running this company. There are people running this company. These are not machines. So this growth investment you have, it's not actually paying you nothing, because dividend companies actually pay you because they're making profit. They're making profit out there. So it's like having your money work for you, basically. So growth investment don't actually pay you that much. They don't pay you at all. That's it. Like Tesla, for example, they don't pay you at all. So now I gotta worry about the fact that I want Tesla to grow. So I'm not actually getting passive income for it. Now I'm betting on the fact that I did my research. I know this stock is gonna go higher, but anything can happen. I could do my research today and I'm like 100% sure Tesla it's gonna go to, let's say, 3,000, like all the financial advisors are saying. Let's say 3,000. So, but what if something happens tomorrow? Like something goes wrong tomorrow? I mean, I mean, things happen. These are humans actually running this company. They're not. They're not robots. They're not like. These are people who are. These people actually have flaws too. Like anything can happen. I mean, I'm not saying something is gonna be wrong with the company, but you actually want to be actually getting cash flow from a company. So this I don't want to make this video too long. I think you guys actually get what I'm trying to say. So these are the things I wanted to share with you guys, why I like dividend investing better. So if you want to start investing as usual, use my link down below. Get four stuff when you start investing with Webull, and one of them is going to be worth about $1,000. And all start investing with Robinhood, and I think Robinhood started giving 4 stocks also, and they actually doing a promo about $1 million. If you invite and you get a share out of the $1 million they actually giving people. That seems to be everything for this video. Thank you, and take care, guys. I'll see you in the next video.